Hello everyone, this is Mr. Prem. Today we are going to discuss how to install Maven in Windows OS. Before going further, if you did not subscribe my channel, so kindly subscribe and hit like button if you like this video. So before proceeding, let's see how to check whether my system is already installed with Maven or not. I will open my command prompt and I will type one command mvn -version. So you can guess here mvn is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means my system is not installed with the Maven. So let's see from where I need to download the Maven and how to set the path of Maven so that my system knows what is Maven. So for that purpose, I will open my Firefox. I will open my Firefox and enter the google.com, and here I will type Maven download. And since you know that okay, Maven is open source under Apache license, so very first link you will get what maven.apache.org. Okay, now I will click on this link. Fine, so I will click on this link. Currently you can see, if you go a little down, you will find that okay, there is a two section available. Source section if you are interested in the source code, binary section if you are interested in what libraries of Maven. So we are interested in libraries of Maven, so we will be interested in binaries. Zip file is for what, Windows, mostly for Windows, but it supported all environment including Linux also. But .tar is not understood by Windows, so we are going to download this .zip file. I will click on this zip. It will take few time okay for downloading this bin.zip file. I have already downloaded this, which is available in my download folder. I will go in my download folder. See, this is the download folder and this is the zip file. I will just unzip it. After unzipping, you will get this folder. I need to copy this folder and I need to paste inside C drive, or you can keep anywhere in your system. Most of the software which is installed, it is in the C drive. That's why I'm going to keep inside the C drive. Okay, so I will go in C drive and I will paste. So I pasted my Apache Maven inside the C drive. Now next our step is how to set the path of my Maven to my environment variable. So what I need to go inside apache.maven. In apache.maven there is a bin folder. Till bin you need to copy the path. Okay, and you need to go in properties of the system by clicking on this PC. I will go in properties, advanced system setting, and environment variable. Here you need to find the path variable. Okay, you can see here path variable is there. I need to click on this, double click. Okay, and here I need to click on new and paste the path and press on OK button. So we have successfully set the path of Maven. Now let's check whether our system is installed with the Maven or not. So I will start my command prompt, and again we will fire the same command which we have typed at the starting. Okay, what the command? Maven mvn -version. Fine. So currently it is showing the version. That means we have successfully installed the Maven to my system. So thanks a lot everyone for listening. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel, and press like button to this video if you like it. Have a great day. Thank you.